don't forget to also answer the processing questions. So, the first question is, what categories or category appears more often in your answer? So, possible na may maulit doon sa category, especially if someone at your house or someone at home is always influencing you to do something, di ba? For example, di ba, your mom influence you into having a good attitude, no? So, aside from that, your brother or your older brother influence you into having the sports of riding a bike, di ba? Or bike racing. So, pwedeng maulit yon because your brother and your mother is only in one category, which is family. Okay? So, again, ano kayang categories yung madalas na nag-appear sa mga sagot mo? So, yun yung tinatanong sa number 1. So, for number 2, how does their influence help you to understand the senior high school track and strands? So, you might want to try to think, paano kaya yung mga influence nila ay nakaka-influensya sa pagpili mo ng senior high school track. Okay? And then, how would you feel or how do you feel about their influence? And why? So, matutuwa ka ba or nagagalak ka ba? Are you happy about their influence to you? Do you think you are going to have a better future, a better version of yourself with their influence? Okay? If your answer is yes, then why? Okay? How is it going to make you choose your senior high school track properly? Okay, so that's the question number 3. Okay? So, again, let's always try to think about your future tracks because 2 years from now, diba? So, as of now, dapat meron na kayong background about the different tracks, okay? Because 2 years away from senior high school, which is ngayon, grade 8 kayo, okay? It may appear to be long enough for you to decide, but at this point, you should be considering all the possible options, okay? So, you should also be mindful of the influence of other people and factors that affects your decision. Okay? So, that pinag-iisipan mo na. Hindi porke yung kaibigan mo, pinili yung hums, pipiliin mo na rin yun. Okay? Hindi porke sinabi niya, oy, same na lang tayo ng track para mag-classmates pa rin tayo. Okay? That doesn't mean na pipiliin mo rin yun. Okay? So, we will discuss later on why you should have your own decision. Okay? And you should also think about the influences that other people could do to influence you. Okay? So, aside from that, your family may become your influence in choosing your career. Diba? Or yung kasama mo lagi sa bahay. Kasi sila yung nakakausap mo eh. You could always ask them. They could always talk to you regarding your future, okay? Or your careers. Ano ba yung mga gusto mong maging right after you finished studying or right after you graduate? Or, ano kaya yung mga kurso or ano kaya yung mga kurso na pwede mong pagpilian na makakabuti sa'yo, no? So, madalas natatakel nila yan sa inyo. Alright? Okay, so your parents and other relatives may create an impact on the kind of work you would want in the future through their encouragement. Okay? So, yung mga words nila na sinasabi sa'yo, like, okay, sige, maganda tong course na to. So, para makakuha ka ng course na ganyan, you should take this track in senior high school para patuloy kang magkaroon ng knowledge, di ba? Mas patuloy kang magkaroon ng better knowledge about that object or about that course, no? So, pwede silang mag-encourage din sa'yo. Again, mataas ang impluwensya nila sa'yo. Especially if they talk about your future. Okay? So, they may influence you to follow their footsteps. So, for example, ang buong pamilya ninyo or your whole family clans, lahat sila doktor, no? So, possible na lagi ka nilang kinakausap or pwede ka nilang i-encourage na, oy, mag-doktor ka na rin. Okay? Oy, magganto ka na rin. Dapat engineers tayo lahat sa family natin kasi mula sa first generation ng family natin, engineers lahat. Ganyan-ganyan. Okay? So, they could influence you to follow their footsteps. Pwedeng sabihin nila, okay, dahil ako ay engineer, dapat ikaw engineer na rin. So, parang ganun na, but not direct to the point, okay? So, meron silang tendency na sabihin na, dapat parehas tayo, okay? But, on the other hand, they may also discourage you to pursue their footsteps and choose a different careers, okay? So, pwedeng sabihin nila, oh, wag kang magganyan, wag kang magganito na course, or wag kang mag-engineer. Okay? Pumili ka na lang ng iba. Pwede nilang sabihin din yun sa'yo. Okay? So, your friends or peers may also influence you. Diba? Gaya nga na sinabi ko kanina. Kasi ganito yan eh. Diba? Pag kayo nagkakahiwa-hiwalay ng section, yung iba, no, nakikiusap pa sa teacher, sabihin mo kay ma'am, ilipat ka na lang sa ganitong section para friends pa rin tayo. So, dun pa lang na-influensyahan ka na niya, di ba? Na-influensyahan ka ng kausapin yung teacher mo, even though you are really shy, no? So, dun pa lang talaga, ang laki na ng influence ng mga friends mo. Okay? So, same thing with choosing your senior high school track. So, again nga, di ba, pwede ka nilang pagsabihan na, pares na lang tayo ng track para mag-classmates pa rin tayo. At the same time, pares tayo ng school na papasukan. Okay? So, there's a big impact if you let their influence go through you. Okay? So, they may persuade you or they may discourage you toward a certain track or strand. So, for example, magkaiba kayo ng pinipiling strand or tracks in senior high school, pwede ka nilang sabihin na, pagsabihan na, wag na yan, dapat parehas tayo, ganyan. Okay, so there are tendencies. And, it is happening in real life. Okay? So, it is important that you recognize your personal capabilities. Okay? Circumstances and personal life and career goals before making such decision. Okay? So, try not to let other people decide for you. Okay? Kasi ikaw nakakaalam ng gusto mong maging someday. Okay? So, ano ba yung gusto mo sa college? Ano ba yung gusto mong course? Course. Diba? So, aside from that, media or nowadays, lagi din tayong tutok sa social media, okay? They could provide career information that can be found in different platforms. Okay? You may browse the internet to acquire information on different careers in relation to your senior high school track interest. Palagi ka nakita ng mga videos about flight attendants, no? Lagi ka nakita ng airplanes on social media or palagi ka nakita ng mga pilots. So, there's a tendency that in your senior high school, you will choose a track or strand that is closer into tourism, di ba? Kasi doon pasok yun eh. Or something that has something to do with flying or aeronautics, no? So, may epekto lang yun talaga sa'yo. Okay?